Hello, welcome to Recipes by Janki. What if you are craving for a very famous street food that is usal and you don't live in Baroda? So let's make it home. So here I have prepared usal with the same Baroda's famous mahakali usal. So for that, here I am taking green peas, dry green peas, and I have soaked them 8 hours like overnight. And let's pressure cook them for 3 to 4 whistles. So you can see I have pressure cooked and it's cooked perfectly. So this is how we want, like some of it like has a whole texture and some is getting mashed. Let's just check it by pressing in the fingers, between fingers. So first of all we will start making a gravy. For that I have taken 10 to 12 cloves of garlic and 1 inch of ginger and around 2 medium size onion that I have chopped in pieces and 2 medium size of tomatoes, and I have also cut them in pieces. Now I have grind them both in a mixture. So now into the big pot I will add around 2 tablespoons of oil. You can add more or less according to your preference. Into that I will add around 2 to 3 small bay leaves. Once oil is hot enough, we will add that onion paste that we have prepared with the onion, ginger and garlic. This turned red because I have used the red onions. That's what we have available here. Now we will cook it until we see the oil oozed out from the onion. So make sure you cook the onion properly. Otherwise, if your gravy is not cooked perfectly, then you won't get the perfect taste. So just be patient and cook it on a medium heat and just keep stirring meanwhile. Keep mixing. Just scrape off the bottom. And now you can see oil has oozed out from the onion. Now it's time to add tomato puree. Give it a good mix. So same way we will cook the tomatoes until we see the oil ooze out from the gravy. Now to cook the tomatoes faster, I will add some salt, around half a teaspoon, and just give it a good mix and let's cover it. So meanwhile I will to thicken up the usal, I will use the chickpea flour, that is besan. So here I have taken around 2 teaspoons of besan and I have added around 1/4 cup of water to make a slurry kind of paste. So this is how we want, runny texture. Now we will check the gravy meanwhile. Give it a good mix. You can see it has changed its color. Now just now we will check it after some time and you can see it's releasing its oil. You can see it's on top. So now I will add around half a teaspoon of dhana jeera powder, half a teaspoon of chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and around 2 teaspoon of usal masala that is easily available in the market. So let's give it a good mix. So we want to make sure that all the masalas that we have added get cooked as well. So just give it a mix and we will cover it for another 2 to 3 minutes until we see all the masalas get cooked. After some time you can see that oil has come on the top. That means everything is cooked now. So it's time to add boiled peas. You can see it's so beautiful in color. That gravy is cooked perfectly. Now add a piece, that boiled peas here. Now you can see it's pretty thick, but we will add water to this mixture. First mix everything and then we will add around 3 cups of water. You can add more or less according to your preference. If you want a thick gravy, then you can add less. But right now we want like a runny texture, as we are going to add some chickpea flour slurry that we have prepared. So we will add that chickpea flour once it comes to the boiling point. Once you see it's boiling, then only add the chickpea flour, otherwise it will stick to the bottom. So now we will slowly add around 2 teaspoons first, then give it a good mix. So just make sure you stir it meanwhile, otherwise it will stick to the bottom. I have added 2 more spoons, and lastly I will add another 2 spoons. So now we can see the gravy is thickened up. So now our sev usal is ready. Now I will start preparing the tari. So here I have taken 8 cloves of garlic, some ginger, and I have used that white part of green spring onion, that is green onion. So into the small pan I have taken 2 teaspoons of oil, and I have added that puree of garlic, ginger and white onion, and into that I have added a salt to taste and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. You can use spicy or non-spicy one, and add 1/4 teaspoon of sev usal masala. Give it a good mix, and I have also added around half a teaspoon of lemon juice. Now you can see that oil is coming on top, so it has cooked. This gravy is cooked. So now into this I will add around 2 tablespoons of water, and we will wait until it gets to the boil. Now we can see it's coming to the boiling point, and oils get separated on the top, so it's cooked and it's ready. So now everything is ready. So you can serve sev usal with this tari to make it like spicy and tasty. So here I am adding a little bit of tari. Now garnish with some green onions, that is spring onions. You can also use the regular onions or cilantro, whatever you like. And I am adding here a sev. I have used the banavani gathia. That's what we have available. And little bit more of the tari, and you can have it with any kind of bread. Here I am using a palm. So do try my recipe, and thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.